If you have activated the gift certificate feature, you will have a page on your website where your gifts are sold. You have the option to offer both dollar amount certificates as well as gift packages. Packages are often selected, and members report that they make larger sales when they offer custom gift packages. If you're using the just-in-time option, your clients get to select from a variety of seasonal and themed designs and customize the message on the printable certificate. After selecting their design, they enter their details and credit card info on a secure form to complete their purchase. Then they can immediately print out their gift certificate and give it away. If you sell regular gifts without just-in-time, you will need to send a physical gift card to your clients using snail mail after you process their transaction. When a sale goes through, you will be alerted via email or text and on your account dashboard. To view the new sale, go to the Process Orders section, either by clicking on this link from your recent activity message or by going to the Process Orders section directly. Any gift order that has not been processed will appear here in the New Gift Orders tab. To process an order, click the checkbox icon for that gift. This page has all the information you will need to process the order, including the purchase total, purchaser name and address, and credit card information. You also have the option to email or text a copy of the certificate to your client if they lost the email or can't find the one they printed out. In order to actually process a transaction for a sale, you will need to hand type the purchaser's credit card number into whatever credit processing program you use, whether that's PayPal, Square, a Salon or Spa software program, or any other credit card terminal. Depending on the results you get back, you will need to record whether this certificate is authorized or not. Change this drop-down to yes for transactions that you have successfully processed. This will mark the certificate as valid for redemption. You may also enter notes here about the transaction and then press Update Record to proceed. The next page has a pre-formatted email that you can send to the purchaser letting them know that you have charged their card and their certificate is valid, or if their card was declined. You can make changes to the message here and then click this button to send. Once you finish this process, the certificate will be moved to the Gift Log and the Gift Sales Archive tab. Here you can view a graph of your yearly sales and specific order details. To return to the detail page for any order, you can click the eye icon shown here. Watch the next video tutorial about gift certificate redemption to learn what to do when a client comes in with a certificate that they purchased.